Hey everybody, and welcome. This is now my third time refilming this video. Why? Oh, well, let me just tell you. Because one, well, I'm a hot mess, and yeah, I say typically embrace it, but I just didn't do enough research. So it was like all over the place, a little bit more than normal. So anyways, hi, hello, and welcome. Today we're gonna talk Ipsy and Boxy, and I am gonna forewarn you, I'm still not 100%. I'm still totally learning, and I'm still a little confused, and it's gonna take time, just like with anything. So if you're new here, welcome. My name's Shonda, and over here, yes, we in fact embrace the hot mess in this judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone. I want to give a huge shout out and thank you to my YouTube members. Y'all don't have to help support the channel, but you choose to, and I appreciate each and every single one of y'all. So today we've got some Ipsy, Boxy, Ipsy iconic box. We got a lot to talk about and to go over today. Before we jump into it, this video is not sponsored or affiliated, but It Cosmetics did send over their new concealers. So they sent 2 shades over, and the one I've been playing around with is the Light Neutral 22. I freaking love this. So I put my face on today around, I don't know, 9:30 this morning. I'll do like a zoom in. I typically have very dry under eyes because I do a lot of anti-aging products like retinols, tretinoins, all of that stuff. So I do tend to suffer with dry under eyes. So with that said, this stuff is freaking amazing. It is one of the few concealers out there that I can wear from early in the morning to late into the evening and not have like dry, crepey, crusty, dusty looking under eyes. So little information about this. It says introducing the Bye Bye Dark Spots, and it says our new all-in-one concealer plus serum. It has 2% niacinamide. It is also formulated with hyaluronic acid and caffeine. So it's literally like a skincare type of dealio in one with your concealer. So if you're like me, you have mature skin, you have dry under eyes, I definitely would say consider picking this up. It says it's clinically tested to fade the appearance of dark spots and under eye circles and provide 24 hours of hydration. It is going to be $30 at It Cosmetics. I don't have a date on here, but I can tell you all, this stuff is freaking amazing. Now it does come with like this little like brush thing on here. I have not used it. I just used my typical double-ended It Cosmetics brush or my blinged brushes brush from the Paige Corinne collection. Code Hot Mess will save you 10% over there. But this serum, freaking amazing. I love it. As far as the rest of my makeup on my face, you guys are gonna have to stay tuned. I can tell you I have the L'Oreal foundation serum on. My bronzer, the cream bronzer, was the Huda Beauty concealer. Lips, eyes, I don't know, even my eyebrows. Stay tuned. Big things are coming in June. I'm so excited. Anyways, so we're gonna talk a little bit about Ipsy, Boxy, everything. I don't totally understand all of it, but I'm doing my best. So Ipsy did send over this cute little bracelet thingy and then a Drunk Elephant product. So this little skincare product is a product that you may see as, I believe, a beauty boost product. So they did send over a card. I'm obviously gonna have to read off the card because y'all know my memory is wackadoodle. So the Beauty Boost is a max beauty, less money type of dealio when it comes to Ipsy and Boxy. So it says add the Beauty Boost to their Ipsy membership, and your audience will get first dibs on a premium bonus full-size product for only $15 a month. A guaranteed savings of 60%. That ships with their box. And then it says, P.S. we've included one of these hot picks from the first few months of the 2023 for you to enjoy while you wait on your first package. I do believe my friends Just Ann and Jody did get like a Too Faced eyeshadow palette. This is the Drunk Elephant F-Bomb Electrolyte Waterfall Mask Hydrant. I am pretty excited about it because y'all know how much your girl loves skincare. So thank you to Ipsy for sending this over my way. Little information to go over the subscriptions with you all before we get into some of the sneak peeks. First and foremost, the Ipsy Glam Bag. This is the bag that is $13 a month. It's going to give you 5 deluxe beauty samples personalized for you for the $13, plus 24/7 insider access to unbeatable deals up to 80% off. Next, you have the Boxycharm by Ipsy, which is a monthly subscription as well, and you'll score 5 full-size products for $28 a month and unlock 24/7 insider access to buzz-worthy beauty brands like Too Faced, Glow Recipe, Tarte, and more. Then, of course, we have the Icon box. So this is, think Ipsy Glam Bag X and Boxycharm Luxe together forms the Icon box. So we've got to talk about who's going to be the icon for the first ever Icon box. So this is experience 8 super coveted products curated by beauty's biggest icons worth up to $350 for $58, and this is quarterly, not monthly. Then we've got now what's called Power Picks. So the Power Picks, and correct me if I'm incorrect because y'all, I'm still learning with y'all, but I do believe April 2nd and 3rd is when you're going to be able to make these Power Picks. So what this is exactly is every month members will get a superstar products from their beauty's most wanted brands. At least 1 with the Glam Bag, which is the $13 bag, 2 with Boxycharm. Now, of course, with the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, I believe you pick 3. So they're calling for Power Picks. These beauty faves will make the entire monthly subscription worth every penny. Trust. By also removing the jawstring from the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, we can also invest in better beauty products worth up to $200. And then, of course, they're going to have mega drop shop. So that's a lot to take in. Like I told you all, I'm still learning the whole process. I'm a little not good with change, so that's what's taken me so long to really sit down and film these kind of videos for y'all. So I'm over on Ipsy versus Boxy on Instagram. Definitely make sure to go over there, give her a follow, because she works hard to provide these amazing sneak peeks for us. So let's go ahead and get to talking a little bit about the April Boxycharm Choice Spoilers. What she has for the spoilers is the Ciate Linden Smiley Lip Mask, then the Fenty Beauty Glam Balm Heat and Lemon Lava, which it's the balm, so it's going to give you a tint, and I feel like it's going to be like a tint of kind of like trophy wife, which could be very pretty in the summer. Next, we're seeing the Neen Pretty Shiny Cream Highlighter in Meta. Now, this brand I've honestly never heard of, so let me know if you guys have tried either the Ciate Linden lip mask or this Neem product. Next, we're seeing the Purlisse Yuza Plus Orange Exfoliating Face Polish. And then last is the LYS Beauty No Limits Cream Bronzer Stick in Harmony. Honestly, I'm a little shocked because I do believe the LYS had multiple shades available, but it looks like it's only 1 shade across the board. So what are my thoughts on this? Because you all know I do pay for the Boxycharm base box. I like the thought of getting to pick 2 out of my 5 products. So I'm going to choose 2. They're going to choose 3. And for an additional $15, you can choose your Beauty Boost if you want. AKA, I guess that would make it like the premium box. Could be incorrect, but don't hold me to it. So for me personally, I plan to choose the LYS Beauty No Limits Cream Bronzer, and probably I would say the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in Heat. That's another one where I wish they would have given us options of different colors. So let's go over what we're seeing some of these Power Picks be as far as the Boxycharm by Ipsy goes, which again, in my head, this is going to be like what your premium box would be. So again, I'm pulling this from Ipsy versus Boxy, and it says the April Boxycharm by Ipsy Power Picks members are guaranteed 2 Power Picks. So with that being said, I'm literally so confused, but again, I'm gonna just read them to you, and we'll just take it from there. So Boxycharm Power Picks, we've got the Natasha Denona 5-pan palette, which I do think this is something that we saw in the past. We've got the, what is this? This is a Detox Dry Shampoo by Dry Bar. That is really good. This is a very good, very, very good product. Next, we've got the Boxycharm Power Pick. This is the Drunk Elephant. These are the Rosy Drops, and I saw Johnny over on Instagram showing these, and ooh, it got me kind of really curious. Next, we've got the Ole Henriksen. I think this is that under eye stick. Kind of curious about that as well. Then we're seeing the Origins. This is a ginseng serum. I've never personally tried this, but I will say Origins does have some really nice skincare products. And then last, we're seeing the Saturday Skin Carrot Niacinamide. It's like a hydrating cream, which again, Johnny over on Instagram for Boxycharm did show this, and I'm like, this looks really good. So anywho, these are going to be some of the power picks, which again, the power picks are the two things you get to choose for the box. I have to read this because you know my brain's not going to compute. So yeah, so it looks like we're going to get those things to choose from, and then it looks like the other choices as well are choice spoilers. Bear with your girl. I'm learning this process too. So it's, what do they call it? Ebb and flow? I don't know. All right, so let's go ahead and talk about the iconic box. This is going to be curated by, of course, the one and only Anastasia. So this is pretty exciting, and I honestly feel like when it comes down to, when you think of an icon, especially in the beauty industry, ABH is right there. That is who you think of. So some of the things that we are seeing so far for the icon box, which again is going to be curated by her, is things like the J.Lo Beauty, that blockbuster, like the J.Lo Beauty skincare line. You guys, that is freaking amazing. Some other things we're seeing in here is the MAC. This is the Magic Extension Mascara. We're also seeing the Too Faced, the eyeliner. Some other things such as Glow Recipe is going to be a part of this box. Looks like Aveda is going to be a part of this box. What is this one? Is this Pat McGrath? Looks like Pat McGrath is going to be part of the icon. But I mean, you're doing pretty amazing there. I mean, this icon box, okay, check out these spoilers, okay, for the icon box, which is coming out in May. So very first at Ipsy icon box, curated by Anastasia, and these are things like the ABH cream eyeshadow, the ABH eyeshadow and face palette. We're seeing the Alterna Caviar anti-aging, anti-frizz dry balm cream. I will tell you all, y'all know that my hair had been going through it. I mean, through it. With all the weather changes and everything going on, my hair was so dry. What has brought it back to life is the Alterna products. If you guys want anti-aging hair products, you guys, I know I'm a little spoiled because my daughter's a cosmetologist, and so like, I don't have to pay those big old prices, but if this happens to be in drop shop, mega drop shop, what have you, I definitely would say consider looking into the Caviar products. They're amazing. Amazing. Like, my hair was snapping and breaking left and right, and a lot of y'all were like, you need to get something like a heavy duty product. So I did. I went and I picked out the Alterna. It was like a deep hydrating mask, and I've been doing it once a week. My hair is not breaking, it is not snapping. It has been a game changer. So I highly recommend it. Some of the other products that we are going to be seeing, which by the way, the eyeshadow palette and face palette is called the Primrose All-in-One Face and Eyeshadow Palette. The cream bronzer, the Magic Touch Concealer is something that we are going to see in there, as well as the brow definer, cult classic. I mean, when you think of ABH, absolutely. We got in here the Dewy Setting Spray, as well as the Luxury Sun Rituals Pore Smoothing SPF 30. Never tried it, never heard of it. Let me know if you all have. We've got some Tonic Lotion by Bumble & Bumble, which is another hair brand that I'm really excited to see hopefully ends up in drop shop or mega drop shop, because again, that clarifying shampoo that B&B has, amazing. The Hairdresser's Secret Oil or whatever it's called, amazing. What else do we have here? We've got the Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist, great product, I love that. The Dry Skin Saver by Kate Somerville, that is another really good skincare line. Then of course we've got, well, I already said it, the Alterna products. So there is a lot of amazing things coming to that icon box. And again, it's $58, but it's not monthly, and they are really stocking it. Like, in my opinion, they are making it worth our $58. What do you all think? Let me know down below. Now, as I'm like scrolling through Ipsy versus Boxy, some other things that they are showing over on their Instagram that I didn't mention is they did show that Supergoop is coming out with the Daily Dose Hydra Ceramide Boost SPF 40. That is a potential spoiler, as well as some Bobbi Brown, those like cream eyeshadow sticks. Those are looking to be something that we may see as well. And I'm pretty excited to see what like more we will see. Like I'm still so confused. I'm still learning everything as we go. It's a process, it's new, and I am a very regimented routine person, so when that gets messed up, I'm like, what the heck? So that's why you guys haven't seen as many. But as I'm learning, as I'm physically getting to see what all is going on as far as Ipsy and Boxy and everything, you'll start seeing more content. Okay, so bear with your girl. I'm a little slow. So anyways, definitely make sure if it is available over at It Cosmetics, I will link it down below for you guys. It is definitely something to consider. I'm telling you all, I've had this concealer on all day long. I've been filming on my other channel, HOTMESS MOMMA Vlogs. By the way, this bodysuit, literally the bestest, most amazing Skims dupe that you've ever seen. I'm telling you, I even compared the quality up against Skims, like side by side of this bodysuit. It releases April 3rd with a brand called Piomi, I think is how you say it. They're over on Amazon. Y'all, I already started adding stuff to my cart, and as soon as these launch on their site, April 3rd, I'm gonna be adding more. They sent over 2 of these mock turtleneck type of bodysuits. They are amazing. They are so freaking comfortable. If you love the Fits Everybody line from Skims, you're gonna love these. Like, I'm telling you, I was so shocked. It gave me the biggest happy butterflies ever. Anyways, thank you to Ipsy as well for sending over the Beauty Boost product, which is the Drunk Elephant. I'm so excited to learn more about how all of this Boxycharm by Ipsy is gonna go down. So stay tuned, learn with me. I greatly appreciate it. If you do wanna sign up for Ipsy, I've got my Ipsy referral because I do pay for the glam bag. So as far as the Boxycharm, I pay for that. I gotta get into the account and learn more. I've got to like read emails and stuff. I'm a little behind on all that. So anyway, shout out and thank you once again to my YouTube members. You don't have to help support the channel, but you do. And y'all, I know I'm on repeat, but I definitely truly appreciate each and every single one of you all. Definitely make sure to check me out on my other channel, HOTMESS MOMMA Vlogs. My video will be going up. It will be a giveaway. April 3rd, I think, is when I'm going to post it, or April 2nd, April 4th. Somewhere in there will be a giveaway for some of the bodysuits. You don't want to miss out. There's 2 giveaways going on now on the channel. One ends on the 31st. The other one, I don't know how long I'm going to keep it going. One is with Folklore makeup. The other one is the Goo Goo Hair Extension Halo. That thing is amazing. I know you all are going to love it. I know some of y'all have already picked it up from my video. Thank you all so much for that. And I guess that's all the news I have for y'all. Once again, thank you to It Cosmetics, thank you to Ipsy, and thank you to you all for sticking around watching my crazy videos. I know I'm a struggle to keep up with, and so I really appreciate you all coming back. So check me out on Instagram and on TikTok at HOTMESSMOMMA4. And until next time, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.